For on-the-go cooking or to expand your current kitchen cookware setup, a portable induction cooktop gives you 1 or even 2 additional burners to cook on. They're convenient for traveling and really handy for entertaining guests because a portable induction cooktop eliminates the dangers of an open flame and also reduces energy output. Because of its size and non-traditional heating element, the portable induction cooktop benefits small areas of living, such as your dorm room, a studio apartment, and even RVs too. So today I'll be looking at the best portable induction cooktops, and I'll break them down by their features and benefits so you get an idea of which of these might be the best choice for you based upon your particular situation. And as always, I'll include links to each of these down below so you can check updated pricing and availability for any of these that you might be interested in. Also, if there are any special deals or discounts on any of them, I'll include that in the description as well. So based upon a cadre of different features ranging from the burners, power levels, temperature settings, and even the diameter of the cooking space, we took a lot of time to determine which of the induction cooktops would be right for you, and coming out on top as the best portable induction cooktop overall was the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop with an LCD sensor touch. And if you're looking to enhance your culinary skills in the kitchen, then this one is going to offer you the option of cooking delicate sauces over a low power heat source to avoid them scorching, but also it's going to give you the ability to boil water in a matter of minutes with its high power heat up to 1800 watts. Using a standard North American outlet, this cooktop is lightweight, it's easy to take on the go, it's convenient for camping, compact for dorm rooms, and handy as an extra burner in your kitchen. The induction cooktop offers a wide range of cooking temperatures as high as 460 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can saute, brown, fry your food, experiment with a myriad of cooking styles, whatever your heart desires. The Duxtop also is available in black or silver. It features a sensor touchpad with different controls such as the keep warm setting, menu and power button, and even a timer too. The timer also allows you to set the induction cooktop to stay on for up to 10 hours, so slow cookers, keep an ear out. And the keep warm setting keeps the cooktop above the danger zone for food safety, which is 140 degrees for up to 30 minutes. Safety-wise, the unit automatically shuts off after 60 seconds if it senses either the wrong type of cookware or even no cookware at all. Another safety feature includes the lock button, which locks all the buttons except the power switch, so the temperature and timer can't be changed once they've been set, so you can't accidentally mess up your cook. And the all-glass top unit is compatible with magnetic cookware too that has at least a diameter of 5 inches. So if you're just looking for the best portable induction cooktop overall, the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop with the LCD sensor touch might be a good choice for you. Double your pleasure with the best double portable induction cooktop, which is the NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop with Kids Safety Lock. So if one burner isn't going to cut it for you and you want to cook more than one thing at a time on your induction cooktop, check out the NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop with Kids Safety Lock. It's got 2 burners that fit pans in diameter roughly 5 to 10 inches, and while it's large enough to fit 2 decent sized pans, it's still small enough to travel with. It's really helpful when you're camping or if you're entertaining company safely in town. The NutriChef has a ceramic tempered glass top. It's safe to use on your table or countertop, and you can cook 2 dishes at the same time because each burner features its own sensor touch control, so you can boil water and saute vegetables independently. Choose any of the preset cooking methods, so you can fry, steam, boil, whatever a recipe calls for. The timer will work for up to 4 hours, and the burner will switch to the warm setting when you're done cooking. And it also offers a child safety feature, as I mentioned, that locks all the buttons except the power function so that you can't mess up the timer or change the heat or a number of other things to keep everybody safe. So if you're just looking for the best double portable induction cooktop, the NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop with Kids Safety Lock will likely be a good choice for you. The best budget portable induction cooktop was the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner. So if you're looking to save a few bucks but still want to give induction cooking a try, consider the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner because it's got 10 different temperature settings from 140 to 460 degrees, from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 different power settings from 200 to 1800 watts. You can boil, saute, simmer, steam, or even gently warm your food with it. It's lightweight, it's compact, it's easy to use, and the Duxtop Induction Cooktop can be used on the road or even in your home too. It has a glass surface with a control panel that includes a digital timer for up to 170 minutes. It also includes includes an error and voltage warning system in case you overdo it a little bit, it'll let you know. It's got a bonus safety feature that triggers the automatic shutoff of the unit if it doesn't detect a pan for 60 seconds, and it's compatible with pans that have a diameter of at least 5 inches, but be sure to use magnetic cookware. And it's also available in 2 colors, gold and silver. So you're just looking for the best budget portable induction cooktop, the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner is likely going to be a good choice for you. The best portable induction cooktop with a timer was the Sonavo Portable Induction Cooktop with timer. And everybody knows that a timer can be a really invaluable item when you're cooking. Especially if you're out in the woods, a timer is really helpful to have on hand. And with the Sonavo, you can set the unit to cook for up to 5 hours. So throw in a pot of soup or slow cook some chicken. Don't worry about having to hover over the pot until it's done. The Sonavo got you covered. Also, the timer can be set in 1-minute increments for more precision cooking too. So 5 hours a minute, you can do whatever you want. It's got multiple temperature and power settings to simmer, boil, saute, or even fry your meals. And it's got 15 different power levels ranging from 100 watts to 1800. It's also got 15 different temperature settings from 100 degrees to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. And with it, you can whip up so many meals in a wide variety with confidence, whether you're in your house, out on the camping trail, or just having an outdoor picnic. The Sonavo Induction Cooktop also features a sensor touch control pad that includes a child safety lock. It's compatible with magnetic pans with a diameter of 4 to 8 inches. So if you're just looking for the best portable induction cooktop with a timer, the Sonavo Portable Induction Cooktop with a timer might be a wise choice for you. And finally, the best portable induction cooktop with multiple cooking modes is the iSiLER Sensor Touch Induction Cooker. Because cooking on a portable single burner cooktop shouldn't limit what you can cook for dinner. Most induction burners offer a capability of cooking in a variety of styles, and this particular unit delivers a wide range of settings so you can cook with even more precision. The cooktop has 18 power levels, 17 preset temperature settings, so whether you're steaming, sauteing, frying, pan searing, boiling, whatever you're doing cooking-wise, the iSiLER has a setting for you. It lets you slow cook, simmer, braise without even having to keep an eye on what you're doing. Just set the timer for up to 180 minutes. It's suitable for magnetic pans with a diameter between 4 and 8 inches. It's got a touch button panel that includes a child safety lock, so you can lock all of the buttons except the power function so the temperature stays right, the timer doesn't change, and the power levels can't fluctuate either. It also has rounded edges for safety, and the glass surface is easy to clean and maintain. So if you're looking for the best portable induction cooktop with multiple cooking modes, then the iSiLER Sensor Touch Induction Cooker might be a good choice for you. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please feel free to leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And just a reminder, I'll include links to each of these products down below so you can check updated pricing and availability for any of them that you might be interested in. Also, let me know any comments or questions you have, as I always love getting to answer as many of them as I can. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.